Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to be recording a video about how to draw a songbird for Miss Lillie's class. Okay, if you want to find more, you can visit me at lily.world. Let's get started. Today we will be using a pencil, an eraser. If you got some Crayola markers, if you got Sharpies, whatever works for you. We will also be using crayons or color pencils, whatever you have available to you. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start by using one of my Crayola markers so you can see the drawing really well. If you're not confident in your markers, you can always start with a pencil first. So we're going to do a large U. When I say large, I mean really wide, okay? So I'm going to give myself a little line to make the perch. A little bit of crooked line, excuse me. Okay, and then we're going to draw our U shape. We're going to start here. We're going to go down, and then we're going to come right back up. And that's going to give us our U shape. Then we're going to draw a straight line across. Okay, that's our first step right there, step one. Step two, we're going to give him the head, okay? So we're going to go right here. We're going to give a little curved A without the line in the middle. That's going to be his head right there. Okay, step three, we're going to give him a beak. Step four, we're going to add 3 little tail feathers. Okay. Step five, we're going to give him a wing. So really quick songbird. And step four, we're going to add 3 things for step four. I'm sorry, step 6. What am I saying? We're going to give him an eye. We're going to give him a lower beak right there. Let's bring it all the way in. And then I'm not going to actually give him feet. So that's going to be the end of our step 6 because I want him on this little stand there. And I'm actually going to make it a little longer. Okay. So that's going to be our songbird. Very easy. We're going to be coloring it in now so you can see how that works and how that looks. Otherwise, 6 easy steps. I want to see what you guys come up with. Let me know. Thank you so much for joining me today for our songbird and our various drawings that we will be doing. Please stay tuned for the next video so you can continue to build your drawing skills, and like and subscribe for more. Thank you, everybody. Have a beautiful day.